In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Trello account now, 5 minutes. Before we start, a quick heads up. Your Trello login is part of an Atlassian account. Deleting it removes your access to all Atlassian products tied to that account, not just Trello. If you think you might need anything later, export your boards, transfer ownership of any important boards or workspaces, and let collaborators know before you proceed. Begin by signing into Trello on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the exact account you want to remove. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile avatar. This opens a small menu with account-related options. Choose Manage Account. You'll be taken to Atlassian's account management page in a new tab. This is normal. Trello uses Atlassian's central settings for account controls. On the account management page, go to Account Preferences. If you don't see it right away, you might first land on Profile and Visibility. Just switch to Account Preferences from the menu. This section contains settings that affect your entire Atlassian identity and data. Scroll down until you find the Delete Your Account section. Take a moment to read what's on the page. Atlassian will outline what deletion means for your data, which products will be affected, and any grace period or recovery details. If you're an admin or own shared boards, confirm those resources are handed off to someone else because once you're gone, access and automation tied to your account can break. Click the option to delete your account. A confirmation flow will appear to make sure you understand the impact. Follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to acknowledge that you'll lose access to associated products and content. To finalize the deletion, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. Enter your account password when prompted and click Delete Account again to complete the process. If your organization uses single sign-on, you may be asked to re-authenticate or verify through your identity provider instead. After you confirm, the account is scheduled for deletion. You might receive an email summarizing what's happening and when the deletion completes. Keep that message until the process is done. If you only wanted to leave a workspace or stop using Trello temporarily, consider leaving workspaces, transferring ownership, or closing individual boards instead of deleting the entire account. That's it. You've requested deletion of your Trello account through Atlassian's account settings. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double check you've saved anything important before you sign out.